was just about this time actually. I was just about to go on stage in Seattle, and then I get a call from Don Ho's wife, and she was actually nice enough to call me and to let me know that Don Ho has passed. I mentioned Don a lot because he was very instrumental in my career. He was like my second father, if you will. 16 years, and he was just one of those guys that always asked me, "You need anything?" Blah blah blah. And of course, he scolded me a lot. Hey boy, one thing about you know too much music. Like what? But anyway, when I got the message, it took me about a good hour before I went on stage, and at that time, this melody hit me, and all these good memories in my mind of Don Ho. And then all of a sudden, like within the past, the 2 weeks or a few weeks after that, my uncle passed away, and then my auntie passed away, and I'm like, wow, what's going on? But I wrote this song just basically in honor of them, but mainly to all of us that when we go through life, a lot of times all we ask for is just to be ourselves and be loved for who we are. I've been to many places, met so many faces, but there's one thing that I'm missing, is to be close to you, to be next to you. Please don't cry for me. And in the end, a smile will set me free. And in the end, love is all I need. It's the only thing that matters in my life. When all is said and done, and all the cheers are gone, I've had a good time in my life, in my life. Cry for me, and in the end, a smile will set me free. And in the end, love is all I need. It's the only thing that matters in my life. Cry for me, and in the end, a smile will set me free. And in the end, love is all I need. It's the only thing that matters in my life. God bless you guys. Take care. Aloha.